So if you want to start streaming on Twitch straight from your phone, whether you are gaming or just chatting live, it's super easy to set up and you can simply set up it from your phone. So for that you have to install Twitch application. So go to Play Store or App Store. If you are using iPhone, you can download the Twitch app, like I have installed it already. You have to open it and log into your Google account, or you have to sign up if you don't have any account. It will take around 1 or 2 minutes. Like once your profile is set up, you can tap on your profile icon and plus click on the plus button. From here you can see stream games. You can click on stream games if you want to stream your games, and or you can stream IRL. It's mean you want to share your camera, or this uses your phone camera for live vlogs or chats. And tap on the stream games, then select the game you want to stream. Twitch will ask you to permissions to record your screen. You have to allow it. Once you are ready, then tap on the start stream. Your gameplay will be live and Twitch will overlay a small icon to let you know you are streaming. And to stop the stream, you have to tap the icon and hit end stream. You can use Wi-Fi for better quality and less lag. Keep your screen brightened and volume balanced. It helps your viewers enjoy the stream more. You can also chat with your viewers while streaming using an overlay controls, and that's it. You are live on Twitch right from your phone. No fancy setup needed. If this helped you out, like, subscribe and tap on the bell icon for more simple how to likes this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.